Good morning, everyone. How is my front of construction business working today? Yes, it is I, boss, Vlad. You do what Vlad say. You clean out that area over there right now for Mother Russia. Why you look at Vlad like that? Oh, you try to fight Vlad? Vlad no taekwondo. Oh, sorry about that, yellow jacket man. Vlad not playing with you.
Watch out, please. Rod's coming through. Oh no.
You not want this from Vlad?
I'm so sorry about the window.
Vlad fight, he very good fighter. He best fighter, Mother Russia. Don't run with those poles. I pay good money for that. You still run. You run from Vlad. Even as Vlad knock you out. Come back. Vlad have question. What country you from? Why you run from him? You run from Vlad, you pay. You take like man. Okay. What this guy doing?
If you stand too close, you
waste Vlad money. You take hammered and you beat on invisible nail into nothing. Vlad don't like that. Vlad make you pay. Vlad make you pay again. Yes, Vlad use force on you. Vlad Jedi. Rise. To finish beating. From Vlad. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. From Vlad. Vlad have hammered. Vlad do all job by himself.
Oh, great. I just cleaned that area. Again.
You clean what for Vlad? You don't talk back to Vlad now. You want more from Vlad? More. You pick this up. Vlad don't pay you to drop stuff everywhere. Oh, you think this funny? Come here, you. Vlad don't like that. Oh, witness. Vlad don't like you see that. Vlad have no loose ends. Come here, we just talk. Go to top. Vlad not going to hurt you, he just have to ask you question. You like hammered? You like Vlad hammer, don't you? Okay, look at me with blank stare. You don't scare Vlad. Beautiful scenery up here for Vlad. You see all of desert until world end around the square. You don't like Russian accent? Why we keep going up? Let's see if more has gotten done past couple of weeks. Okay, how do we get out? Here we go. Come on. You come with Vlad. Okay. Vlad have question for you. Pete and repeat in boat. Pete fall out. Who left? Not going to repeat myself. Vlad very sorry about that. Oh, he's still up. Must get. Hiya. From Vlad. Vlad have very bad vertigo, but he still finished job. What the? Hey, what's going on here? How you get up there? You. What you doing up there for Russia? Nothing? You ignore Vlad when he talk to you? Okay, Vlad come back with something big on. Vlad make him pay, he ignore Vlad while Vlad talk to him. Vlad get bulldozer, make him pay. Vlad don't know how to drive bulldozer. Ah, this way. Vlad can drive this way. Drive. Up there. Forward. Steering wheel? Okay. Vlad don't remember steering wheel for bulldozer, but okay for Vlad. Bye-bye. You pay. Vlad tell you pay for disrespecting him at his job site. Oh, you took picture? Who took picture for Vlad? Very nice of them. What you upset about? Me no know you. Me did nothing to you. Vlad lose axe. Vlad losing all his weapons. He had to fight everyone with fists. Fine for Vlad. You not scared, Vlad? Your kicks do nothing to Vlad. Vlad indestructible. He Russian robot agent. Just like Arnold Schwarzenegger in Terminator. Vlad very strong. Vlad flex giant muscles. You over there, what are you doing? You waste Vlad's money. Come on, Vlad, get up. Get up, Vlad, you can do it. Vlad push himself. Excuse me, sir. You work
If
for Vlad?
you stand too close, you're part of the structure now.
You don't work for Vlad anymore. Stop moving. Vlad very sorry, but not very sorry about this. Okay, where'd Vlad go next? Vlad still hears someone beating. Ah, yes. Vlad arch nemesis. Vlad don't know where you come from, but you pay. For whatever. Come on, you fight Vlad. Come on. Vlad beat brakes off of you. Oh, good kick. You give Vlad run for money. Excuse me. Sir. I am Vlad, Russian agent. Vlad not like America. Vlad built this Las Vegas compound to destroy America secretly. Vlad have Russian agent mixed with African accent mixed with Indian. Vlad also speak very bad English. He have to remember his words. Vlad sorry. Everyone gone? Oh no, still one other person. Vlad has not destroyed. How Vlad get him? Vlad have to go up 3 stories Vlad don't like. Vlad don't like steps. Vlad use ramp. Vlad use handicap accessible stairway. Ah, Vlad find you painting nothing. Vlad very disappointed. And Vlad make you pay. Because Vlad does not like to waste money. And now Vlad's stuck. Shame on Vlad. Now Vlad have to start over. Vlad stuck. Very stuck. Vlad give up. Vlad finished for the day.